My dear students, I welcome you all to CMIS online classes. In today's class, in this video, for the students of Standard 6, we'll start the new chapter from our English literature book, that is chapter 6, Wishing. This chapter is a poem, and this poem is written by Ella Wheeler Wilcox. So, at first we will understand what actually the word wishing means. Wishing means to have a wish. To have a wish. To have a desire. To have a desire, to have a wish means किसी चीज का इच्छा रखना, चाह रखना. So what wishes that the poem tells us about is to have a desire to make our living place a better place to live in. Okay. So the poet in the poem is telling us, is guiding us how we can make our place a better place to live in. Okay. So a human heart is full of desires, full of wishes. एक इंसान का जो अंतरात्मा होते हैं वो कैसे होते हैं? इच्छाओं से भरे हुए होते हैं. Some desires that we wish for the people living around us, and some desires we keep for ourselves. So, but most of the time, what we do, a human wishes for himself only. But here, if you read this poem, you will understand we should live thinking about ourselves only. Okay, we need to think about the entire world in which we live. We have to think the entire world as our own home, and how we can make this entire world, the place we live, a better place to live. Okay. So if you see this introductory page of this chapter, you will see it is written here before you read. That means before you read this poem, what we have to do? We have to complete this exercise. We can say this as a warm-up section. So what can you do to spread happiness? तो हम खुशियाँ बांटने के लिए, खुशियाँ को फैलाने के लिए हम क्या कर सकते हैं? Okay, among your family friends, that means among our family or friends, what can we do for our family and friends to spread happiness? That means how can we make our family members happy? How can we keep our friends happy? How can we keep our family and friends happy? Okay. So what can we do for them? That we have to write here. Okay. I want you all to cover this section, to complete this exercise first. After that, I will check your answers, and then if I find any error, then I will help to complete this exercise also. Okay. So at school, how can we make our school a happier place? What can we do for our school? Okay, that also we have to write. Okay. For each point, we have 4 answers. We have to write 4 points. Okay. In the community means the society, the place where we live in with the other group of people. Okay, with other families. So what can we do for our society? So what can we do for our family and friends? What can we do for our school? What can we do for our committee? So that we can keep the people, keep the family members, keep our friends happy. We can keep the teachers and other staff in our school happier. And what can we do to keep the people with whom we live in the society happier? So these all points you need to cover. Okay, don't write long answers. You have to complete these answers with the use of phrases. Okay, phrases or short sentences. Okay, but you need to cover all the points. Okay, ABCD, ABCD, ABCD. So now, as I have already told you, wishing means to have a desire. Okay, इच्छा रखना, चाह रखना. And in this poem, the poet is talking about wishes, talking about the wishes, that how can we make our living place a better one. Okay, so we will read each stanza and we will understand each stanza with the explanation about what actually the poet wants to say through this poem. Okay, now we will see the poem. So here we'll start reading the poem. Read this poem and find out how we can make the world a better place. So हमें ये पोएम पढ़ना है और हमें ये समझना है. According to the poet, how can we make the world a better place? Okay, so हम अपने दुनिया को, एक दुनिया, हमारे जो दुनिया है, जिस दुनिया में हम रहते हैं, उस दुनिया को हम एक बेहतर जगह कैसे बना सकते हैं. Okay, understood. It depends upon every individual. It is the responsibility of every individual who live in this world to make this world a better place. Okay, so we may have our own concepts. हो सकता है कि हमारे पास अपने ही विचारधारा हो कि हम कैसे इस दुनिया को एक बेहतर जगह बना सकते हैं जीने के लिए, रहने के लिए. But here we have to understand what actually the poet wants us to do to make this world a better place. We have to go through the guidance of the poet. हमें poet के guidance के through जाना है कि हम और समझना है. We have to understand the poet's views about how to make our world a better place. Okay, so the poet is questioning us also, and the poet is giving us answers also. Okay, so the poet starts with asking us a question. Do you wish the world were better? क्या आप चाहते हैं कि आप जिस दुनिया में रहते हैं वो एक बेहतर जगह हो? Let me tell you what to do. तो चलो मैं आपको बताता हूं कि आपको क्या करना चाहिए. So here, let me tell you. See here, the word me refers to the poet. So poet is willing to tell us. Okay, poet wants to tell us. So here, you refers to us, the readers, who is reading this poem. Okay, so let me tell you what to do. तो चलो मैं आपको बताता हूं, मुझे बताने दीजिए कि क्या करना है. Set a watch upon your actions. Okay, so that means fix your time about your actions, about your work. Okay, that means we have to fix our time about our action, upon our actions. Okay, see, that means in what time, which work we have to do, we have to set the time. Okay, so here watch refers to time. So हमें समय निर्धारित करना है कि हमें कौन सा समय पे कौन सा काम करना चाहिए. Keep them always straight and true. So we have to keep our work straight and true, means clear and convincing. Okay, so there should not be any confusion about the work, about the action that we are going to do or we are going to perform. Okay, so we should be always clear about the actions that we are going to do. That means what is the result of our action that we have to understand at first, and then only we have to start our action. Rid your mind of selfish motives. Read your mind means free your minds. Okay, हमें अपने माइंड, हमारे विचारों को फ्री रखना है. किस चीज से? सेल्फिश मोटिव से. सेल्फिश मोटिव से मीन्स द रीजन फॉर डूइंग समथिंग. If you if you keep some reason for doing something, that reason should not be selfish. Okay, always think of doing selfless motives. Okay, that means we need to be selfless. हमें ये जो स्वार्थ विचारधारा है, हमें वो सारे चीजों से मुक्त रहना है. लेट योर थॉट्स बी क्लीन एंड हाई. सो हमारे विचारधारा क्या होना चाहिए? क्लीन एंड हाई. क्लीन एंड हाई मीन्स that means our thoughts should be clear. Okay, there should not be any immoral thoughts in our mind. Okay, there should not be any selfish thought in our mind. Okay, so if your thoughts are clear, if your actions, if you keep your actions always straight and true, what can we do? We can make a little Eden. You can make a little Eden means we can make a little Eden. Eden means a paradise. We can find this word in the Bible. So Eden is the first garden created by Jesus for human beings. So Eden is a paradise. एक स्वर्ग का जो एक गार्डन है उसे हम ईडन कहते हैं. सो हम हमारे जगह को क्या बना सकते हैं? एक स्वर्ग बना सकते हैं. वी कैन मेक अ लिटिल गार्डन ऑफ द स्फीयर यू ऑक्यूपाई. सो वेरेवर वी लिव एंड डू एक्शंस, if we keep our actions straight and true, if we keep our thoughts clean and high, then we can make our place. Sphere means place, you occupy means sphere, you occupy means the place where we live. We can make our place where we live a real paradise, a real heaven. Okay, so this is what the first stanza tells us about. Now what does the second stanza tell us about is, do you wish the world were wiser? क्या आप चाहते हैं कि जिस दुनिया में आप रहते हैं कि वो दुनिया ज्ञान से भरा हुआ हो? ओके, सो वेल सपोज यू मेड अ स्टार्ट. सो मान लो कि आपने तय कर लिया कि आप अपने जगह को क्या बनाएंगे? एक ज्ञान से भरा हुआ जगह बनाएंगे. सो how do we make our place, how can we make our place a wiser one? Okay, by accumulating wisdom. By accumulating wisdom means knowledge. By accumulating means collecting. By collecting knowledge in the scrapbook of your heart. That means our heart is like a scrapbook. We can contain lots of things in our heart. So whatever the thoughts we keep in our heart, okay, so each page of the heart will be filled with knowledge, wisdom. Okay, do not waste one page on folly. So that means हमारे जो heart है, it is like a scrapbook. Scrapbook you already know. ओके, सो एक स्क्रैप बुक की तरह है जिसमें बहुत सारे पन्ने हैं और हमें हर एक पन्ने को क्या करना है? ज्ञान से भरना है. हमें एक भी पन्ने को वेस्ट नहीं करना है मूर्खता से भरे हुए बातों को लेकर. अंडरस्टूड? बिकॉज वी हैव टू लिव टू लर्न एंड लर्न टू लिव. वी हैव टू लिव टू लर्न. हमें जीना है सीखने के लिए, हमें सीखना है जीने के लिए. ओके, वी हैव टू लिव टू लर्न एंड वी हैव टू लर्न टू लिव. हमें जीना है सीखने के लिए. ओके, बिकॉज टिल आवर डेथ वी लर्न समथिंग. ओके, सो वी बिलीव इन लर्निंग. वी शुड बिलीव इन लर्निंग एंड वी शुड लर्न टू लिव. ओके, इफ यू वॉन्ट टू गिव men knowledge, you must get it or you give. That means if you want to give men knowledge, if you want to impart knowledge, if you want to give knowledge to someone, यदि आप किसी को ज्ञान देना चाहते हैं, you must get it before you give. refers to here before. अगर आप किसी को ज्ञान बांटना चाहते हैं तो उस ज्ञान के बारे में सबसे पहले आपको पता होना चाहिए. That means if you have knowledge, then only you can impart knowledge. अगर आपके पास ज्ञान है तभी आप ज्ञान बांट सकते हैं। इसीलिए अगर आप किसी को ज्ञान बांटना चाहते हैं तो सबसे पहले आपको वो ज्ञान हासिल करना पड़ेगा। यू मस्ट हैव दैट नॉलेज, ओके, देन ओनली यू कैन इम्पार्ट नॉलेज। इफ यू इम्पार्ट नॉलेज, ओके, and if you impart knowledge, your world will be filled with knowledge. Okay, so this is what this second stanza tells us about. Now the third stanza, that is the last stanza of this poem. Do you wish the world were happy? क्या आप चाहते हैं कि आपका जो दुनिया है वो खुशी से भरे हो? So then let me tell you one thing. So let me tell you how to make it. Let the poet tell us how we can make our place a happier place. Okay, then remember day by day just to scatter seeds of kindness. So एक बात आप लोग ध्यान से सुनिए कि आप लोगों को क्या करना है। Every day we have to scatter seeds of kindness. Okay, scatter, we have to spread the seeds of kindness. That means we have to do kind works. We have to perform kind acts. हमें दयापूर्ण काम करना चाहिए, हमें दूसरों पर दया करना चाहिए. We should help everyone with whom we share this planet. Okay. As you pass along the way, for the pleasures of the many may oftentimes be traced to one, as the hand that plants an acorn shelters army from the sun. So as you pass along the way, that it means if you are on the journey, हो सकता है कि आप कुछ सफर में चल रहे हो. For the pleasures of many, okay, for the pleasures of many, that means the journey with whom you take other people with you, okay, may oftentimes be traced to one, as the hand that plants an acorn shelters armies from the sun. You may be the example, you may be an example to most of the people who always look upon you, okay, who always thinks you as their role model, okay, okay. So because what we have to do, we have to believe that the plant you plant, the plants you plant, okay, it may be, here acorn is a plant, okay, here acorn has been given as the example from the plant, okay, name of the plant, name of a tree. So आपको ये बिलीव करना है कि एक पेड़ जब आप लगाते हैं तो वो बहुत सारे लोगों को क्या करते हैं, धूप में छांव देते हैं. That means the good work you do, the good work you do gives pleasure to other people, so that they also become inspired from your work and they also follow your ideas. Okay, always for that we have to believe in doing good work. Okay, that means here it is written, अगर आप एक पेड़ लगाते हैं तो बाद में वो पेड़ बढ़कर जब बड़े होते हैं तो वो बाकी लोगों को क्या करते हैं, छांव देते हैं. That means the good work you do will always inspire other people, okay, who always follow you. So this poem is written by Ella Wheeler Wilcox. I hope you have understood the explanation of the poem. If you have any doubt in understanding the poem, kindly raise your doubts during the class period. Okay, students. So I would like to stop here. Thank you so much for being the part of my today's class. Thank you so much.